Hello. This is being recorded on a Vivitar DVR 613 HD. It is a late 2010, very cheap Chinese camcorder that sold for like $15 brand new or something ridiculous like that. Doesn't have any like specifications for megapixels, probably like 3 megapixel camera. Very tiny sensor. The lens is like the size of a hair. It records like this. It takes pictures in JPEG. And I'm just going to show you a short video of like some camcorder collection that I have, you know, just accumulated from like family members and stuff like that. So, first one up is the Zenith. This is the Zenith VM6175. So this is a consumer grade camcorder that was made by actually JVC, made in Japan. This is a estimated like 1985 camcorder right here. You see this is the lens cover. It's got this like nice external microphone right here. It has this like kind of like a almost like a scope viewfinder here. So there's no, the viewfinder does adjust with when you turn your focusing lens, or not focusing lens, your zoom lens. So it has a zoom lens from 9 to 27 millimeter. I have not used it yet, but it's a fully it's not digital, it's a fully analog camcorder. Runs off of VHS-C HQ. You get a nice shot of that cool Zenith logo there. Just really a rebadge. Obviously Zenith is an American company. They just slapped their name on a Japanese work of art right there. I'm looking to get a charger and a set of tapes for it through the mail. It says that's autofocus too. It's pretty cool. You see right there the branding for the autofocus. I'm sure that was a big deal back in 1985 or whenever this was released. So that's the first one there. The battery pack is right here under this this Zenith branded strap. Next, we're moving up to the late 90s. Kind of skipped a little bit here. Went from the 80s to the late 90s. So like, I'm not sure the exact year this one came out, but 1998 to early to mid 2000s, or I'd say probably like turn of the century right here. So this is our first digital camera right here. This is the Sony Handycam CCD TR517. You see the back, it has a nice battery pack back there, not original Sony, but very nice hand strap on this one. You can see the microphone right here. This one's working at the moment. I got the battery for it. And if you hit the eject, tape pops out right there. This is actually an original Sony MP120 tape, 8mm, but it uses digital info-lithium digital processing. So has 200 times digital zoom, It has mechanical zoom too. You can see the lens moves in and out in the body. It has night vision too, which is pretty cool, and autofocus that you could adjust. And it has a full color viewfinder that's adjustable, but it doesn't have the flip out. That was an option on a later model to get the flip out viewfinder. And then next is the Sony DSR PD150. It's a professional handycam or camcorder. It's very similar to the technology on the last handycam, except this uses mini DV, which is another format. It's still digital, but it's just a different cassette it uses. It still uses a tape. Last and final is the Handycam DCR SX45. It's very small, as you can see. This is like a 2010, 2011. So like the most modern of the Handycams that I have. It's got the flip out viewfinder, touchscreen, an incredible 70 times mechanical zoom. The viewfinder can be flipped back like this, fully digital. And it's definitely HD quality. It's got a flashlight, takes still shots, Carl Zeiss lens. Basically the only difference between this and a modern camcorder is image stabilization and 4K higher quality video. Other than that, this is basically a modern camcorder. It had this cool feature that a lot of camcorders of this era had, where it has a little USB stick that you can plug right into your computer. Don't really understand that one. I would rather just take it out, take the card out and put it right into the computer. But that's it. That's my camcorder collection, and I'll take a video of the Vivitar with this camera so I could show you that, and I'll splice it together. Splice it together. This thing is kind of junk, but it's what I recorded the video on. Has a little flip out viewfinder, which is cool.